Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to buy Baby Doge Coin on Binance. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to create a Binance account. So if you don't already have one, visit Binance website, search for binance.com and sign up for an account. Complete the necessary verification process, including providing identification documents if required. Now deposit funds. So once your account is set up, navigate to the wallet or funds section and choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit in your Binance account. Follow the instructions provided to deposit funds from your external wallet or exchange to your Binance account. Now navigate to the trading page. So after depositing funds, go to the trade or exchange section of the Binance platform. Search for the Baby Doge trading pair. If Baby Doge is available on Binance, it will be paired with another cryptocurrency like BTC or USDT. Now place a buy order. In the trading interface, locate the buy order form, enter the amount of Baby Doge you want to buy, and review the order details, including the current price and any applicable trading fees. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Binance account to cover the purchase. Now review and confirm the order. Double check the details of your buy order, including the amount and price, before confirming the transaction. Once you are satisfied, click on the buy button to place the order. Now monitor your order. After placing the buy order, monitor your order status on the Binance platform. You can check the open orders or order history section to track the progress of your purchase. Now manage your Baby Doge balance. So once your buy order is executed, you will see the Baby Doge tokens in your Binance wallet. You can re- you can view your Baby Doge balance by navigating to the wallet or funds section. Please note that cryptocurrency trading involves risks, and it is essential to conduct thorough research and exercise caution when investing in any cryptocurrency. Additionally, the availability and listing of specific cryptocurrencies on the exchange can change over time, so it is crucial to verify the latest information on the Binance platform. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.